good morning from Bali. I flew here yesterday for a friend of mine who did stag do, so we went out last night, so I'm feeling a little bit worse for wear. But today I'm going to walk around this part of Bali which I'm in, which is Seminyak. Now, Seminyak is on the west coast of Bali. It's just north of the airport, north of a place called Kuta. It's like sort of known for its luxury hotels, really. Let's go find the beach of Seminyak. Here we are, Seminyak Beach. So, no one's in the water because it's only really good for surfing on this side. So just having a walk along the beach, see what we can see. Tell you what, it's bloody warm. So my plan while I'm in Bali is stay in Seminyak for a day, see what I can see, mainly beaches. Then I'm going to head into the capital, Denpasar. People don't often go there, tourists don't go there, but I'm going to see some of the sights hopefully, see what that's got to offer. And then I'm going to drive up into the mountains of Ubud. That's like the mountain retreat where you can do yoga and see the paddy fields and things like that. And then I'm going to head down to the east coast, Nusa Dua. I've never been there before, so I'm looking forward to that. So that is my plan for Bali. So I've just left the beach area, passing the old Bintang sign there, the local beer of Indonesia. Just gonna have a walk around and just see what I can find. Nice dog there, just relaxing on the wall. Loads of bars. So on an evening, they'll be banging around here. Nice hotel, 66, luxury hotel. I'm not staying there, unfortunately. Into a nice little Balinese Hindu temple thing, I think. Unfortunately, the view's spoiled by this thing. And look at this sign behind me. It's saying the amount of garbage along the coast might spoil activities along the beach. Bali has a problem with garbage. It's not as bad as it was. They are cleaning it up. Like, you can't get plastic bags in any of the shops anymore, and if you want a bag of any kind, you've got to buy it. So that's one of the good things. It's nowhere near as litter filled as it was when I came here a few years ago, so I think it's getting better, but obviously still not great. Seminyak is not known for its tourist sites. People just come here for the beach, or for shopping, or for food. There's a huge amount of international restaurants here, so I've been told. But of course, you can get the local shacks. Ayam goreng, like chicken and fried chicken. Bebek goreng, fried duck. So yeah, you can get the local delicacies as well. The barrel. How much is a beer if you want to get a beer? So there, you can get a bottle of beer for 22,000, which is about £1.10, $1.30. Pretty cheap. And you fancy some fish and chips? Well, come here. Snapper, 50,000, £2.50. Not bad. Back on the beach. You'd think all of these would be busy, wouldn't you? Maybe because it's still a bit early. It's not even 11 o'clock in the morning. I don't know. Is it because there's not enough tourists? Not sure. So yeah, it's going to be interesting to compare the sand on this, the west coast, compared to the sand over on the east coast, which will be in 3 days, I think. I'm going there. Right, I'm going to take this little alleyway into sort of the centre of Seminyak, moving away from the beach. Let's hope a motorbike doesn't come down here. So this is a typical touristy street. You can get your bike rental, you can hire some scooters, you got your pharmacy in case you've got a hangover, you can get your tattoos. And then in the midst of it, a little shrine with an offering in there. with a nice lizard hanging around the shrine. Squirrels are taking its little chance with the offerings. But it's so bloody quiet. Where is everybody? Like this building, GK, whatever it is, with all the Balinese things and a huge serpent. That is a good design. I like it. And it's a hotel. Well done, the hotel Kumala Pantai. And of course, wherever you go, you'll see massage places. Full body massage, 60,000, which is £3. So I've just found a main street. This is more like it. The things open down here, there's more people. So yeah, you can see all the touristy things there. You can get your sunglasses, your bags, your knickknacks. Well, it seems I found something fairly cultural. Let's investigate. That. So yeah, this looks pretty grand, doesn't it? Beautiful ornate roof. Nice statue there. Unusual statue here of like a monkey. Yeah, not a bad place. Right, there we are, back at the hotel, the Courtyard Marriott Seminyak. That is goodbye from here. Hope you've got a little taste of what Seminyak's like. My next video will be from Dennis Park, the capital of Bali. See you then.